Chad327, I'm right here in the middle of a fast shock change challenge. I've got the shock here, I've got a light underneath, I've got tools underneath. Let's go ahead and see how fast we can get this done. I guess I should probably open it up and make sure it looks right. Looks good to me. And for my tools, I got a breaker bar, a piece of pipe, 2 ratchets, one with a 15, one with an 18 millimeter. I got a 15 millimeter ratcheting wrench and an 18 millimeter wrench. I do have some blaster and a wire brush too. Comparing the old shock to the new shock, I think we're in business. I'm going for it. And I am ready to get started. The shock is right here. That's the top of the shock. There's the bottom of the shock. 15 millimeter on one side, 18 on the other side. Upstairs, I believe it is 15 millimeter. I see the shock mount at the bottom is a little bit damaged, so if my time's not the best of ever, we're going to blame it on that shock mount. Anyway, I'll tell you when to go. I'm going to climb under. On your mark, get set, start the timer. Okay, the camera fell. I'm going to reposition the camera. New shock, old shock is out, new shock is going in. Stop timer. So I used the big tall ramp. Hindsight, I should have used the shorter ones. It was a long reach up that top nut and bolt, lay on your back. Anyway, top nut and bolt is in, it's tight. Same thing for the bottom. Now we need to think about doing this other shock.